Hey everyone, are you tired of feeling sluggish and acidic, ready to boost your energy levels and optimize your health? I know that when you feel run down, you are not living your best life. I'm here to tell you, you don't have to just accept feeling this way. Today, we're diving into the world of alkaline foods. These powerhouse foods can help balance your body's pH, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. Before we explore 5 alkaline superfoods, let us first understand about the alkaline diet. The alkaline diet, also known as the acid alkaline or alkaline ash diet, claims that eating certain foods can alter the pH of your body. Metabolism is like a chemical reaction converting food into energy and leaving behind an ash residue known as metabolic waste. This waste consists of acidic, neutral, or alkaline ash. Proponents of this diet argue that the acidity of the ash affects your body's acidity. Alkaline ash is thought to protect you from illness, while acidic ash can make you vulnerable. By choosing more alkaline foods, you may be able to alkalize your body and improve your health. Let's explore 5 alkaline superfoods that you can easily incorporate into your daily diet. Let's kick things off with these small but mighty alkaline powerhouses, nuts and seeds. We're talking walnuts, pumpkin seeds, almonds. These are more than just a quick snack. No, these little guys are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber, which keeps things moving, protein, which is the building block of our bodies, and healthy fats, which, believe it or not, are essential for our system to function at its best. Now, when it comes to the alkaline diet, nuts and seeds are thought to help create a balanced internal environment. Think of it like this. Our bodies are constantly working to maintain a healthy pH level, and these little wonders can lend a helping hand. Plus, let's be real, they're super satisfying. Keep a bag of mixed nuts and seeds on hand to fight off those pesky cravings and keep your energy levels stable. Next up, we have a fruit that's so creamy and delicious it feels like a cheat code, the avocado. Move over toast, because avocados are ready to take center stage. This green goddess is an alkaline rock star, bursting with fiber, potassium, and those heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that everyone's talking about. What makes avocados so special in the alkaline world? Well, they're believed to have these alkalizing properties that can help neutralize excess acidity in the body. And let's be real, who doesn't love a creamy, dreamy avocado? It's like nature's butter. So next time you're whipping up a salad, spreading it on toast, or just need a satisfying snack, reach for an avocado. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Now, let's talk about leafy greens. Those nutritional powerhouses that should be a staple in everyone's diet. Remember Popeye the Sailor Man? He knew the value of spinach. And guess what? Kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, they're all part of this incredible family of alkaline superstars. These leafy legends are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for our bodies to thrive. But here's where they really shine in the alkaline department. They're believed to help maintain that all-important pH balance within our bodies. Think of pH balance like a seesaw. You want everything to be nice and level. Leafy greens can help us achieve that balance. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about a group of vegetables that might not be everyone's favorite, but trust me, they are nutritional powerhouses. Cruciferous vegetables. We're talking broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, all those veggies your parents always told you to eat. Think of cruciferous vegetables as tiny food soldiers, marching into your body and fighting off inflammation. They're packed with phytonutrients and antioxidants that have some pretty impressive health benefits. And yes, you guessed it, they're also considered alkaline-forming foods. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's show some love to the incredible edible mushroom. Mushrooms are like the unsung heroes of the culinary world. They add a rich, earthy flavor to dishes and, surprise, surprise, they also happen to be a great addition to an alkaline diet. Now remember, there's no magic bullet when it comes to an alkaline diet. It's all about balance and incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your meals. But by including these 5 staple alkaline foods in your diet, you're giving your body a solid nutritional foundation to thrive. So there you have it, 5 alkaline superfoods that can help you feel your absolute best. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can boost your energy levels, improve your digestion, and optimize your overall health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start by adding an extra serving of leafy greens to your plate or swapping out that sugary snack for a handful of nuts and seeds. Nourish your body with the power of alkaline foods, and I promise you'll start feeling the difference. Subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends and family, and let's spread the alkaline love. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite alkaline food is. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.